Anyway, guys, today is parade day for the carnival. I'll be riding along in Rescue 59 for it. Looking forward to it.
Victor 51's arrived your Carnival. Victor 51, 60
Tag me.
There's the new Squadzilla. Here, you guys want to be in it?
We brought more fire trucks than all the other departments combined. I like your hat.
Where?
Woo! Where's he at? Right there on the officer's side. There's Freddie.
Stick on it. Really? Yeah.
Hi, Harold! Hi, Harold!
Say what's up.
What's up?
Shrewsbury. Later, I'm going to.
Here's candy. More candy. Woo! More candy. Woo!